The construction of the Patapat Viaduct began in the 1980s and was completed in October 1986. It was built by Hanil Development Company Limited, under the supervision of the Department of Public Works and Highways, DPWH. The viaduct is 1.3 kilometers, 1,300 meters, long and about 31 meters high above sea level. It has 2-lane single carriageway and is 9.42 meters wide, with a total of 76 spans. It can carry a load of up to 15 tons. Why is it special? The Patapat Viaduct is the 4th longest bridge in the Philippines and is famous for its scenic views of Pasaleng Bay and the Cordillera mountain range. Because of its breathtaking landscape, it's often called the French Riviera of the North. It's located in Pagudpud, Ilocos Norte, connecting the Maharlika Highway from Ilocos to Cagayan Valley. The bridge was built to avoid landslides that used to cause accidents in the area. It's a must-see for road trippers and travelers exploring North Luzon.